100 plus 1 into 10 plus 3 is equal to 6 into 10 square plus 1 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 3. Factors and multiples of numbers. We say every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Greatest factor of a non-zero number is the number itself. Therefore, every number is a factor of itself and 1 is a factor of all numbers. If a number can be written as product of primes, that is n is equal to 2a into 3b into 5c and so on, number of factors of n is a plus 1 into b plus 1 into c plus 1 and so on. Example, factorize 148 into prime factors. Solution, 148 is equal to 2 into 74 is equal to 2 into 2 into 37 is equal to 2 square into 37 to the power of 1. Divisibility by 10. We said that if the unit digit of a number is 0, then it is divisible by 10. Example, 10, 20, 30, 40, so on. Divisibility by 5. We said that if the unit digit of a number is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Example, 5, 10, 25, 50 and so on. Divisibility by 2. We said if the unit digit of the number is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that means if it is even number, then it is divisible by 2. Otherwise, it will not divisible by 2. Example, 2, 14, 26, 38, 60 and so on. Divisibility by 3 and 9. We said only if the sum of the digits a plus b plus c is multiple of 3 or 9 respectively, or a plus b plus c is divisible by 3 or 9. Example, 342, 378, 3663 and so on. Example, 2 4p leaves remainder 1 if it is divided by 3 and leaves remainder 2 if it is divided by 5. Find the value of p. Solution, if 2 4p is divided by 5 and leaves remainder 2, then p is either 2 or 7. If p is equal to 2, the given number when divided by 3 leaves remainder 2. If p is equal to 7, the given number when divided by 3 leaves remainder 1. Hence, p is equal to 7. Divisibility by 6. We said that any number divisible by 6 is also divisible by the factors of 6, that is 2 and 3. In other words, if a number is divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by 2 and 3. Example, 24, 456, 1008 and so on. Divisibility by 4 and 8. We said that if last 2 digits are divided by 4 or last 2 digits are 0, then that number is divisible by 4. We said that if last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or last 3 digits are zeros, then that number is divisible by 8. Example, check whether 287,65432 is divisible by 8. Solution, the number formed by last 3 digits is 432 is divisible by 8. Hence, it is divisible by 8. Note, if a number is divisible by 8, then it is divisible by 4 also. Divisibility by 7. The given number is divisible by 7 only when 2a plus 3b plus c is divisible by 7. Example, check whether 952 is divisible by 7 or not. Solution, here a is equal to 9, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 2. 2a plus 3b plus c is equal to 2 into 9 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 is equal to 18 plus 15 plus 2 is equal to 35 is divisible by 7. Hence, the given number is divisible by 7. Divisibility by 11. We said that the given number is divisible by 11 only if a plus c plus e minus b plus d is divisible by 11. That is, a plus c plus e minus b plus d is a multiple of 11 or equal to 0. Some more divisibility rules. If a number a is divisible by another number b, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number b. If a and b have no common factors other than unity, the number divisible by a and b is also divisible by a into b. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. Puzzle. Example. Find m and y in the addition y plus y is equal to my. Solution. Y plus y is equal to my. 3y is equal to 10m plus y. 2y is equal to 10m. m is equal to y by 5. That is, y is divisible by 5. Hence, y is equal to 0 or 5. From above, if y is equal to 0, y plus y is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, m is equal to 0. If y is equal to 5, y plus y is equal to 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, my is equal to 15. Hence, m is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. Example. Is every even number of palindrome is divisible by 11? Solution. Let us take an even number of palindrome, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. The sum of digits in odd places is 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Sum of digits in even places 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1. Their difference is 0. Hence, it is divisible by 11. Example. Take a 3-digit number in which all digits are same. Divide the number with reduced number. What do you notice? Solution. Consider 444. Reduced number of 444 is 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now divide 444 by 12. 444 divided by 12 is equal to 37. Do the process with 333, 666 and so on. You will be supposed the quotient is 37 for all the numbers.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.